Supple back in of you guys. I am Real Fanland, and here's the best of 2023 so far for trains, at least. Roll the video. Supple back in of you guys. I'm Real Fanland, and here's Market Rail. That's 4. It says right there on the box, 4 Ann Street. Milepost 28.8. Going up the Market Rail line. Do your diamond down there. See it? That's a diamond. Here's Market Rail slowly coming this way. Here we go, finally. Here's Market Rail Ann Street, which is called 4 Junction. Or just 4. It is Z151 here in Grand Rapids. Gets crew change called Z151. Takes it to Grand Rapids and back. Here we go. Market Rail right now. Going nice and slow, 10 miles an hour. First time catching them here in Grand Rapids is pretty cool. Oh, horn battle. Anyway, back to Market Rail. Pretty short train. I think I actually see the end of the train right now, guys. So, going across Ann Street Diamond. It's very glary because the sun. Yeah. ICG, Illinois Central Gulf. That's pretty cool and rare, almost. He's going slow, guys. Oh man. Sorry. This end train, guys, I don't know. Lots of boxcars from Manistee and I don't know about Lutton. For sure, Manistee. Lars, Virginia Central Railroad. He's honking. So slowly. Going. More Lars. Boxcars right there, guys. Here slowly comes entering, guys. Here it is. That's a nasty old boxcar right there. Oh man. Once again, another Lars. On video, actually, longer than expected. But I see that slowly coming. See it right there, just before it's straight over the tail end. So it's not far from me. The way he's going is gonna be a while. It's probably a 5-minute video, but luckily he's short. It seems like he's taking forever, but it's just because of speed, not because he's long and big. He's only probably like 30 cars. I'll count in the video and let you guys know, so yeah. Yep, there's the end train, guys. There it is. old church at 4 Junction Ann Street. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Real Fan Landon, Real Fan Landon out. Sup, back in the video guys, I'm Real Fan Landon. Here's Grand Rapids Eastern heading to Lowell. Look at all the gate runners. Here's Grand Rapids Eastern right now. One engine and a bunch of grain cars for Lowell. Just gonna which is exactly that direction. Here's 2104 Grand Rapids Eastern GRE. Here we go. I didn't see too many real fanners on this old line. Lots of dust kicking up. Still line. That's pretty cool. And then a bunch of CP rail cars coming up here, guys. Lots of dust kicking up and that little speed going. Soon. Another CPC line, and there's the end right there. There it is. One comfort car, but low car. We'll find out. Here's CP car, and this is the last train of the day. There it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Real Fan Landon, Real Fan Landon out. Sup, we're back in that video guys. I'm Real Fan Landon. Here is CXX MJ26 heading for recruit Lowe's. My Elder One crew in here. Here he is in Bangor, Michigan. Real quick. There's a Bangor cam right there. Bangor station. Here we go for 326. There he is right there, guys. Oh man, 58 cars in today's 326. 58 cars. Lots of refrigerator cars in today's 326. Soon. More telephone pole cars right there, guys. Oh man. Rear DPU smoking like crazy. Right there, there it is. and out. So back in the Big Eyes Unreal Fin Landing. Here's Amtrak P371 arriving on station in the rain, of course. And high wind. And there is with P42 leading engine number 57. Here we go. 5 passenger cars. It's arriving on station. Guess who's stopping there? That's different. Sorry about the white circles on the camera. I have to clean out the lens a second. I made it a little bit better, but the glare is still bad. Sorry. Gates are up here now. The gates are up. It's pouring rain out now. Almost looks like a little bit of heavy sweet drops coming on now. Love the sound of Gevo Genesis stuff, Amtrak engine. Love the sound of that. P42. I don't know if it's Genesis, but most of them are usually Genesis. So. Engine 57 once again. Hold on. Sorry. There you go. That's the best I can do, guys. There he goes. There he goes, guys. Love the horn of that engine. Oh man, it's awesome. Northeast Regional, and there's the entering, guys. There it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos to this. I'm Ralph and Landon out. Sup, waking up, you guys? I'm Real Fan Landon. There's 326 right now. There he is. With mid DPU CXX engine and a leading CXX engine. There he is. With 95 freight cars. Hopefully he doesn't stall. Here we go. CXX core car. Used to be new, now it's graffitied over already. Loaded cool car right there. Only reason why I didn't do GoPros is he has 95 cars and somewhat slight chance of stalling. That's different. SNC. That's different. He is slowing down, but not enough yet. I'll tell you what slow is when he does it. Still no mid DPU. Wait, what's this? Weird car right there. What's it holding? Steel beams? No, nothing. Well, maybe it is, but I don't know what it is. That's weird. It's a weird car. Yeah? Weird car. There's the mid DPU, guys. There it is. Minute video already, guys. The end should be here pretty soon, but you never know. He's slowing down now. Hopefully this bus on the other side crossing. You see it there. Look. There's a bus stopped. Hopefully this train doesn't stall. Looked like he's laying sand, but still, you never know with how much weight he has. That's a weird car right here, guys. Oh, man. He's slowing. He's at the Beacon Hill for sure now. He's slowing way down, guys. Oh man. Let's get this bus right there. Still sitting waiting for a slow train. That's different. To hold the lumber in one place, that's different. Being soft car lumber. There's the entering, guys. There it is. There's the end once again, guys. There it is. There slowly comes in train, guys. There it is. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'm Ralph Van Landon, Ralph Van Landon out. Sup, we're back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph Van Landon. Here is, you guessed it, CXX M326 right now. There he is. With 71 freight cars, dude, right? 71 freight cars. There he is. Right behind the box. There he is. 326 super late train for some reason. And he was 71 freight cars. There he is. Moving, guys, oh man, can't see something. Cars, he is moving. I never see him go as fast. That's a different logo. Mid-debut. Telephone poles. There's supposedly some wall cars, which I think I see right now. After some core cars, there are one or two flat cars or wall cars. There's the entering, guys. There it is. South Shore Freight. There's the end right there for trailer. That's cool. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph Van Landon, Ralph Van Landon out. Sup, back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph Van Landon. There's CXX L1 right now in the snow. And yes, it is snowing right now, which is ridiculous. It's the end of October, tomorrow's November 1st. And it's snowing October 31st. Anyway, there's L1 right there. There he is. Do not know how many cars he has, but it's pretty shot in the snow. Here we go. Here he is, bouncing up and down. There he goes. Seal line. There's the end right there. There it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for future snow videos like this. I'm Ralph Van Landon, Ralph Van Landon out.